Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a night routine, how I wash my face. So let's get to it. So I have the light in the hall on. I'm in my bathroom. Let me just go ahead and close it. So this is my bathroom. Just gonna go ahead and set you guys down. It was such a hot day today. I literally thought my face was gonna melt off. I did a little bit of grocery shopping and stuff. Let's see. So I actually first start off with some makeup removing wipes. So I use that to get the whole makeup off before I start washing it. And since I have fake lash extensions, I can't really get them wet, just very like minimum. So that's why I started using these. Before I would just wash my face and not really use wipes. Very rare. So it does make a difference, you know, once your makeup is off. This weather has been like so crazy here. Hopefully it starts getting warm, but not too warm where we're gonna melt outside like it was today. Poke my eye. Let me get another one, because I usually run my foundation down through my neck just because I don't want to look two toned. Now I'm gonna put this cute little headband I got from my sister, since I am doing a face wash. And my hair is so tiny now that I chopped it up, so I'll pin it back here. Let me remove my earrings. So once that is done with the wipes, I'm gonna go ahead and place them over here. Sorry that I'm moving so much, but my bathroom, it's like I'm putting stuff over there, and then my closet is over here. Once I do that with the wipes, I just recently received this gift for Mother's Day, so I have used it maybe once or twice, because I really don't do my makeup every single day since I'm mostly at home, only like when I go out or anything like that, and that's when I actually get ready, beat my face. So I have been using this new face cleaner by Vanity Planet, and let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get it wet a little bit. Okay, you can use whatever face wash or soap. Some people even use sote, anything pretty much. I usually use this to cleanse my face. So let me focus it more over here, and then I'll focus it back to my face. So I usually get it a little bit wet. And now, let me go ahead and focus you guys now. There we go. And it has 2 speeds, so I usually just use a low one when it gets all crazy. Let me turn the water off, because and this is like so relaxing. Ow! Chingo. This is so relaxing. Literally, I think I added too much soap. I don't know if it's just me or everyone makes a mess when they're washing their face. I drop so much water. You know, y así como estamos with the planet, I'm like, I need to turn it off. And ever since I got this, like I said, it's so relaxing. I just do it for a while. And since I can't really get them wet, it's like so hard. So that's why I try to do it a little bit up here. Just because sometimes I do get my makeup like in my hair, and that's a little annoying. Does it ever happen that your phone dies? I mean, it's literally ever since I have my baby, like I don't even care to like charge my phone. Like I'm just like, what's going on? Like I literally let myself just go, and I only have one. So this is like the first wash that I did, and I usually do it twice just to get like all the excess makeup. So let me go ahead and rinse that. And I'm like, se muere el teléfono. My sister, she was like the worst with her cell phone being charged, and it's always pretty much dead. Le digo, ya estoy como tú. Okay, so now I'm gonna do another round. Since I feel like traiba tortas de makeup. But does the trick. So I do like this Vanity Planet face skincare or skin spa facial cleansing system, because like on regular days you can go ahead and like, you know, just wash your face normal, or it also has a exfoliator where you can like exfoliate your face, and it does tell you it's like 2 to 3 times a week, which this one is every day. And then you also have the like for sensitive skin, I guess, I don't know. It's the last one. Mine's not too sensitive. So once that's clean, just put it back, close it, and I'm gonna dab my face with this little pink rag because I can't get my eyelashes wet. Well, too wet. I was like so close to the camera. Just because I can't get them too wet, I'm gonna dab the stuff, or just remove it. The soap from my face, like this. And guys, having a baby is amazing, but my son is super travieso. He's a little troublemaker. I actually like this. I felt like my face would have looked so big, but it doesn't. With a little brush like this, I am gonna go ahead and go in with Garnier Miracle Cleansing Water. It has to be like oil-free or something for the lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub right by the line of my eyelashes. I'm gonna go and do the same with this one. Brush, 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 just because se queda the makeup on there, and it'll just, like, I could see it sometimes after doing my makeup, so try to, and it's much easier when I do it in the shower, but it's a night routine. And then like I just let them air dry, and then se hacen bien fluffy, like you can see, like really nice. So okay, once that is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this, and then I'm gonna put like a little bit of baby shampoo. So I'm gonna rinse that and then put a little bit of baby shampoo. I just dab on the water, just so, since some of them already are starting to come off. So, like that. I don't like let the water like run or like hit them. So I'm gonna dry it off. And since I'm gonna go back in now with the baby shampoo so it can stay a little bit wet. And I'm gonna use this one by Johnson&Johnson. And just a little porque se hace un montón de burbujas. And it literally goes in my eye. I'm gonna go in there like that. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side, just to kind of like get them super clean. And I clean them every night, so and it's good and nice and bluish. I don't put too much water in that. Just dabbing. It says it's tear-free. Oh, I got my eye already. I think it's not. I don't know. It doesn't even say on there. Maybe this one isn't, but. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the excess of the water, kind of press it a little. And I know my eyelashes look all crazy right now, but they're gonna get fluffy and clean. Okay, so just go ahead and brush them. Well, I go ahead and brush them, obviously. Just because it'll untangle. And then just so you could separate them and they can get dry. If you guys ever decide to get eyelashes, it's a lot. It's a lot of process. A lot of process. Like a lot of maintenance to them. But they are easier, I feel, since you know the strip lashes. These do last longer, and even if you don't have makeup on, it does make a difference. Just gonna pick up a little, put this stuff away. Once I'm done with washing my face and all that, I usually use either this one, just depending how dry I feel my face, because this one's for dry skin, or I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I'm gonna go ahead with this one because I feel like my face is like super like, dry. But it's like, don't mind my blue fingers. I was doing some stuff earlier that me los pinte. I really like this one, and then through the night, and then the next day, like I feel like through the night it's like works really well. So like the next day, I feel like my face is so smooth, and like so clean. But then I'll do a day routine on how I cleanse my face in the morning on another video. My husband sometimes, like, so weird. He'll say, your face looks really oily. I'm like, it's not oily, it's my lotion. So once I'm done, I am gonna lower you guys down. I was charging my phone, sorry. how hydrating that looks. Or oily, as my husband says. So yeah, once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put it down here. Y la tengo, I have that on because the little baby likes to come in here. So I just literally pull it and put it in. And that was my night routine. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you guys back. Thank you for watching, and this is how my skin turned out. Super moisturized with some very fluffy eyelashes.